Students, today we will discuss about the nephrons or uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules. These nephrons are the functional unit of kidney. These are the functional unit of kidney. These help in the filtration of the blood and remove the excretory products, and it started from the Bowman capsule. This cup-shaped structure is called Bowman capsule. This Bowman capsule connected with the tube that is called proximal convoluted tubule, and on the other side distal convoluted tubules. This is called DCT or distal convoluted tubules, and PCT, proximal convoluted tubules. This thin part is called loop of Henle, and this is called collecting duct. Here is the group of blood vessels that is called glomerulus. Glomerulus. This glomerulus consists of the blood vessels, and here the blood enter into the Bowman capsule and filter through this, and then water and some useful substance reabsorbed by the PCT and DCT, and the urine is collecting in the collecting duct and sent to the urine kidney, and this lower part is present in the medulla, and upper part is, that is Bowman capsule, is present in the cortex of the kidney. This is the functional unit of the kidney and present inside the kidney in large numbers. Here the blood filters from the Bowman capsule, and then slowly useful substance reabsorbed, just like the water, protein, carbohydrates and other substance, and the excretory substance excrete here and collect in the collecting duct, and then sent to the kidney, and then to the ureter, and then to the urinary bladder, and then to the urethra. Thank you.